everyone, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create accessible videos with closed captions using Canvas Studio. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to open up your Canvas instance. If you have Canvas Studio available to you, you're going to find it on the left sidebar under the Studio icon. So go ahead and click on the Studio icon. Now you're inside your library. Up in the top right corner, you have three choices. You can record, which I'm going to demonstrate in just a moment. You can add, meaning you can upload videos that you might have somewhere else on your device, or you can search your collection as it grows over time. We are going to record. You have two choices here. First is screen capture, where you can record your screen with or without your video in the corner, kind of like what I'm doing right now. First time you do this, you will have to install something. The next is webcam, where you're just going to have the video. This is what we're going to practice today. So I'm going to select webcam. Now the first time you do this, you're going to have to accept some permissions to use your microphone as your webcam. So now this is ready, so I'm going to click Start Recording. I have my countdown. Hello, explorers! Miss Oliver here. I am so excited about this upcoming school year. I can't wait for all the exciting adventures that we have planned. I'm going to stop. Now, you can listen to it. You can decide you don't like it, start over. I'm going to go ahead and give it a title. When I'm testing things, I like to call them delete, save, and then here it is on my dashboard. It will upload depending on the size of your video. It's going to determine the length of time it takes. I did a short video for this. Now I'm going to view it, and remember we wanted to focus on captions. So click on the Captions tab, and I have a couple choices. Over here on the right, you can upload caption files. These are specialized files with not only the text of your video but also the timings. And it does support uploads in multiple languages. Instead, we're going to do the captions request. I'm going to show you how easy this is. I'm going to choose the language that's spoken. This was English. And then I'm going to click request. And it is 419. So what's going to happen is this sends audio file to AI, which is going to do an automatic caption of it. When it's complete, it's going to generate an automatic email that will go to your inbox associated with your Canvas account. And it will say that your captions are ready. So now it is 4:22 and I received the email that my automatic captions are ready to be reviewed. You can click the link in the video. You can click the link in the email, and it will return you to your studio, where now you have a button that says Review and Publish. I'm going to click on that, and now here's where you can make any edits. You can listen to it. Hello, explorers! Miss Oliver here. I am so excited. Press the space bar to pause, and then you can come in and make any edits to your video. When done, you just click Publish. Now that I've refreshed this page and published my captions, you'll notice this CC caption button appears. So if you add this to an assignment or within a page, students will have the opportunity to turn on the captions. Miss Oliver here. I am so excited about this upcoming school. So now with your instructional videos, you have the auditory input, but you also have the visual text to support your students' learning and have a more accessible video for everyone. So I hope you see how easy it is to use Canvas Studio to create accessible videos with closed captions for your students during this upcoming school year. If you learned something new in this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future videos. Until next time, bye everyone.